विज्ञान आणि तंत्रज्ञान विभाग गोंय सरकार येता त्या 13 डिसेंबराक गोंयांतल्या 8 वेगवेगळ्या सुवातांनी चवथो मनोहर पर्रीकार विज्ञान महोत्सव घडोवन हाडटा। ह्या महोत्सवात उच्च पावंड्यावयले राष्ट्रीय आणि आंतरराष्ट्रीय शास्त्रज्ञ गोंयभरच्या विद्यार्थ्यांक विज्ञानाचेर व्याख्यानां दितले। सुमार 8,000 विद्यार्थी हाजीर रावपाची अपेक्षा आसा। गोंय लोक सेवा आयोगाचो अध्यक्ष जुजे मॅन्युअल नोरोनान सांगले। पळयात।
या संदर्भात मंगळारा सकाळी 10 वरांचेर फातोड्डेचे डॉन बॉस्को इंजिनियरिंग कॉलेजींत प्रेस कॉन्फरन्सांत मॅन्युअल नोरोनान ही माहिती दिली। महोत्सवाची मुखेल कार्यावळ एनआयओत जातली। मनोहर पर्रीकर टॅक्नॉलॉजी आनी सायन्सा कडेन जोडिल्लो आशिल्ल्यान आतांच्या भुरग्यां भितर सायन्स आनी टॅक्नॉलॉजी विशीं गोडी निर्माण जावची ह्या हेतान हो महोत्सव घडोवन हाडटात। जुजे मॅन्युअल नोरोनान सांगले। आयकात।
We are organizing the 4th Manohar Parrikar Vigyan Mahotsav on the 13th of December, which happens to be his birth anniversary. This is the 4th event. The earlier 2 years we had it was online because of the COVID epidemic. So this time we are more streamlined. We have got 16 top scientists who are going to address children, about 8,000 students at 8 different venues in the state of Goa, including NIO, which will have the main event. Now, at the main event on that day, we have a very famous professor of chemistry from Oxford University from London, who will be speaking to the children on the fantastic world of chemical elements. Basically, although these are top-level scientists, they will speak to the children at the low level. Now, why is this being done? Because we want to inculcate a scientific learning, scientific temper in the children of the state of Goa. Basically, those who are from, say, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th standard onwards, so they can then focus on a career maybe in the scientific learning, more so because Mr. Parrikar himself was from the field of technology and science. Now this event, like I said, is going to be held at 8 different locations in the state of Goa, which includes NIO, which will be the main event, Don Bosco College of Engineering in Goa, Fatorda. There will be Rajiv Kala Mandir at Ponda, the Government College at Kepen, Government College at Perne, Government Higher Secondary Kankon, Ravindra Bhavan Sakeri, and BITS Pilani campus at Swalinagar. Totally, we will be having about 6,000 students who will be attending at these different 8 venues. But we are also going to open a link online, so the kids who cannot attend can attend from wherever they are online to the link and have access to these lectures. Once these lectures are over, they will be recorded and they will be put up on our website separately. So anybody wants to attend, they can attend.
गोवा 365 खातीर मडगांवच्यान संदीप तुयेकार।